AgTech Tech Tip: Reveal Point Cloud Classification. Reveal is a powerful tool that can be utilized to clean up point cloud data from a drone flight. There are two methods that may be used to clean up the point cloud. You may manually remove the obstructions, or you may use the auto classification. If the site has very few obstructions, you may just want to manually clean up the point cloud. Select the polygon selection button at the bottom of the window, and left-click to form a boundary around the area you would like to remove, and finish the boundary area by right-clicking the mouse, and the points within the boundary will be removed as shown. If the site is very busy and requires a lot of cleanup, you may want to automatically classify the point cloud data. To start auto classification, select the Classification button, and the classification window will display. To run the classification engine on your data, click the Auto Classification button. This may take several minutes depending on the size of the site. Once classification is complete, the menu will show all classes found in your point cloud. To remove obstructions, uncheck the unnecessary classified item. Click the checkbox at the top to turn off all the layers, then check only the classes you want to display. Reveal allows you to export your optimized datasets to your local machine or directly to AgTech Access. Your optimized data can be sent directly to AgTech's GradeWork or exported to other software solutions, allowing the teams in the field and the office to understand project volumes, work progress, and productivity with confidence.